Hola. So, this is my last walk doing sights and sounds. In Jarabacoa, I am leaving on a jet plane back to Canada. And I hope to return in the spring, possibly. But as we all know, life has no guarantees. This is an amazing empanada place. The empanadas are like 80, no, they're 50 pesos. I forget what this place is called. Is there a name? Yes. If you ever come to Jarabacoa, the Mayimbe empanadas. Perfect. Never been on this street before, so that works. Downtown has one-way streets, which makes sense. As a pedestrian, I never really cared because it didn't make a difference to me, but when you're driving, one-way streets mean a lot of turning and accommodating the fact that there's only one-way streets. You're having a wonderful day, and I will say bye for now. This is a wonderful restaurant. Actually, no, this is a really good bakery. Abu de Posteria. Actually, I'll go inside and just quickly show the cakes. They've got some really nice looking cakes, and they're actually baked here, so they're fresh. Look at the beautiful cake. Yeah, very nice. Very nice bakery. If ever you're here. So I hope you're doing well. Have a good evening. God bless you, and talk to you again.